students, now we are going to see the worksheet number 12. The lesson is migration and urbanization. Choose a correct answer. First question, Paleolithic people began to move starting from one place to another. That is C answer, search of food. Second question, which type of age group is said to be global, moving from one spot to another? Answer is B, adults. Third question, Sri's relocation from his native place for a few months for his studies. This is called A option, short-term migration. Let's fill in the blanks. First question, nations of Africa and Asia, men move more than ladies. And fifth question, involuntary migration means migration that takes place against the wish of migrant. So that is involuntary. அவங்க விருப்பம் இல்லாமல் செய்யக்கூடியது. Mr. Selvam voluntarily migrated is to enhance his quality of life. அவர் விருப்பப்பட்டு போகிறது. And seventh one, Ram's relocation with his family from Madurai to Chennai. That is urban to urban relocation. அதாவது ஒரு சிட்டியிலேருந்து ஒரு சிட்டிக்கு மூவ் ஆகிறத urban to urban relocation அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. And next page, true or false, ladies were relocated after the marriage. True. As per the report of 2017, the Western Asia men were the travelers in the planet. False. People are not affected by the nature factors. False. Rearrange the sentence. Early man, first one, and second one, search for food, the second one, third one, people moved from one place to another, fourth one, second one, and fifth one, and adopted civilized life, sixth one, a fertile land, and they almost started to live in the permanent settlements. That is seventh one, and third one is the eighth order. So this is the order for this arrangement. Study the next question, study the following table and answer the questions based on it. So here about the population of every continent is given. We have to read it and answer the questions for this. Which country has the lowest population? Oceania. And which continent is the most populous one in the world? Yes, none other than our Asia continent. Which nations have 14.6% of global immigrants? Latin America and the Caribbean. Larger number of people have migrated to Asia continent. And next question, what type of migration it is? Socio-cultural migration, first picture. Second picture, economic migration. And 14th question, analyze backwash effect. The migration is which skilled people from economically backward countries move to developed countries in search of better opportunities. This is called backwash effect. And second question, why the imbalance of the resource population occurred? The migration of more people from overpopulated to underpopulated regions results in the imbalance of the resource population ratio. And third question, what are the major consequences of types of migration? So first consequence is demographic consequences. And second one is social consequences. And third one is economic consequences. Fourth one is environmental consequences. And next question, differentiate and formulate a table for factors of immigration. So which are the factors or reason for the immigration? We have to write it here. Unfavorable and unfavorable factors of immigration. Favorable first, unfavorable. least hazard prone areas and hazard prone areas. Here favorable climate area, climate change extreme. Favorable climate means that is comfortable for life, and here climate change extremely. Here potential for employment, here unemployment. And next question is voluntary migration and forced migration. If the migration takes place on the person's free will, that is voluntary migration. The causes are pull factors. Forced migration, if the migration takes place against the will of the migrants, that is this type, and example is push factors. And rural to rural migration, urban to urban migration. Rural to rural migration, it is driven by fertile land for cultivation, and other sociological factors are like marriage. Urban to urban migration, it is a migration for in search of higher income or a better job. Pulling factors and pushing factors in the page down I have given answers. I will read it out in that time. Write the correct place on the map. So here continents names are given, very simple map. You have to name the continents. Next activity, create a mind map of pulling factors in your area. ஸோ உங்களுடைய ஏரியாவில் எந்த ஒரு புல்லிங் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் வந்து அந்த இடத்த விட்டு மைக்ரேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு காரணமாக இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத யூ கேன் மேக் அ மைண்ட் மேப். ஸோ யூ நோ தட் மைண்ட் மேப். And collect the picture of pushing factors in the world. ஸோ இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸுக்கும் புஷ்ஷிங் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் எதெல்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு இடத்த விட்டு மைக்ரேட் பண்ண சொல்லுது அப்படிங்கிற ஃபேக்டர்ஸை வந்து நீங்கள் எழுதணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்விரான்மெண்டல், பொலிட்டிக்கல் சுச்சுவேஷன், வார், ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஒரு காசஸாக இருக்கலாம். ஸோ ஹியர் புல்லிங் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் புஷ்ஷிங் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ்னால் என்னென்னு எழுதியிருக்கேன். அந்த 15th 4th கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கு உள்ள ஆன்சர். The favorable factors in which attract people towards a location, that is pulling factors. The unfavorable factors which make the people to move out from a location. Thank you students. For more videos, subscribe our channel.